Hey, what's up everyone? Matt here from Mastro Signs and Printing in Trafford, PA. Today, we're going to be lettering this box truck behind me. This is going to be for a customer for Pittsburgh Garage. They do garage flooring. Really great company, a longtime customer of ours. This is probably the fourth or fifth box truck we're going to be lettering for them. It's going to be a combination of just your basic vehicle lettering, but being that there's rivets on the truck, we're going to be using some wrap vinyl, so there are going to be some wrap elements to it as well. You'll see during the video how it turns out. So here we go. We're going to start lettering it. Hope you enjoy.